variable product in WooCommerce will have multiple variations based on attributes like color, size, etc. In this video we will look into creating product variations on WooCommerce. But before we get on with the explanation, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the notification icon so that you don't miss out on great content on WordPress and WooCommerce. As you probably know, in a variable product, each variation can have its own image, price, and stock status. Let us see how we can create a variable product and add variations to it. You can start by following the general process of creating a product in WooCommerce. Refer to our article in the description on how to add a product to see how you can create other product types in WooCommerce. To create a variable product, you can start by adding a name and description for the product. Then, in the product data meta box, you can choose the variable product option from the drop-down. You have to add attributes first to be able to create variations. There are global attributes that can be used by all products in your store, and custom attributes that will be specific to a product. You can choose from any available global attributes, or create new ones according to your requirement. If you need more information on product attributes, please refer to the article in the description. Now for this example, we will add a global attribute color. From the drop-down, choose color and click the Add button. You will see two checkboxes. The first one will make the attributes visible on the product page, and the other one will make the attributes available to create variations. We will check both. Next, you can add values to the attribute. Either select specific ones, or click the Select All button. You can also create new attribute values by clicking the Add New button. We will also create a new custom attribute. Choose the Custom Product Attribute option from the drop-down and click the Add button. Now you will see the fields below to add a name for the attribute, as well as the values. For this example, we will add an attribute material, with values cotton, linen, and rayon. We will make this attribute visible on the product page and also make it available for variations. Now that the attributes are ready, we can create variations using them. There are two ways to do this. 1. By manually adding the variations. For this you can choose the values of different attributes in different combinations. For example, choose blue and cotton, green and cotton, and red and linen. Now, this manual approach is a practical option only if you have a handful of attributes and values. You can automatically create all the available variations. From the drop-down, choose Create Variations from all attributes and click the Go button. Now, all possible variations will be created. Here you can also choose the default values to be displayed on the product page. You can leave it blank if you don't want any combination to be displayed as default. After this, you can add categories, tags, images, etc. for the variable parent product. However, you can also edit individual variations. Once variations are created, you can edit them individually. Here you can add details like SKU, price, stock status, shipping class, etc. You can enable the variation and also add an image specific to the variation. If individually editing each variation is too much of a task, you can use the option to import products in bulk. This we will cover in another video. Customers in your store can now see the variable product, and choose the variation they prefer to buy. Hopefully, the basic process of creating a variable product in WooCommerce and adding variations is clear to you now. Check out learnwoo.com for more articles, videos, and resources related to WordPress and WooCommerce. Go subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to follow us on our social media channels. If you have any ideas, suggestions, and topics to cover related to WordPress and WooCommerce, do let us know in the comments section.